Have you ever wondered how internal parts of the body are called in the Luo language?
Stick around because this video is meant for you.
My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Welcome.
In today's edition, we shall talk about the internal parts of the body, starting from the teeth. So the teeth are called, one tooth is lac.
Lack.
Lac.
Lack.
One tooth is lac. Many
Lac.
teeth are leke.
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 So lac,
Lack.
leke.
Leke.
Then we move on to the tongue. The tongue is called lep.
Lep.
There's a P. Lep.
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 Good. Then let's move on to the lungs. The lungs are called obo.
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 That's the lungs. The heart is called adundo.
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 Then there is a small intestine. The small intestine is called doklichin.
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 Some people just say dokchin.
Dokchin.
So doklichin, small intestines are called doklichin matendo.
Doklichin matindo.
Doklichin matendo.
Doklichin matindo.
Then the large intestine, some people will say doklichin madongo, but some other people say lola
Lola.
or lola.
Lo.
Lola.
Lula.
Lola.
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 Lula.
Not Lola. Lola.
Lula.
The large intestine is called Lola.
Lula.
Not Lola. Lola.
Lula.
Lola.
Lula.
Lola.
Lula.
Or doklichin
Dok-
madongo.
Doklichin madongo.
Then the brain. The brain is called obuongo.
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 Blood. You know blood is internal part of the body. Blood is called remo.
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 Remo. That's blood. The bones. Your bones. The bones, internal bones are called choke.
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 One bone, one simple bone is called chogo.
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 So there is chogo and then there is choke. If there are many of them, you say choke. Okay? Veins. You know your veins?
Yes.
Now, veins are also with the arteries. They have the same name in Luo language and they are called ligewo.
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 That is veins. Okay? Pancreas. You know your
The
pancreas?
pancreas.
Yes, the pancreas.
The pancreas.
It's called aquacha.
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 Pancreas. Aquacha.
Aquacha.
The next one is called the spleen. Do you know the spleen?
No.
The spleen is called taco.
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 Taco is spleen. Then there is the rectum. The rectum is called amo.
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 Amo is the rectum, okay? Do you know the kidney?
Yes.
The kidney is nyarogno.
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 That is the kidney. If there are many, you know, like kidneys come in pairs, they are called nyiroke.
Nyiroke.
So nyiroke are many kidneys, but nyarogno is one kidney. Okay? Then the throat, the larynx. You know the larynx?
The esophagus.
Those ones.
Yeah.
They are called the duol.
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 Then the stomach. Stomach is chino.
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 Good. The skin, even though it's external, but we shall include it. Your skin is called pien.
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 Then the liver is called chuny.
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 That's the liver. Chuny.
Chuny.
And finally, the gallbladder. The gallbladder is called kedno.
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 Time for a quiz.
Oh no!
Number 1. I will give you the name and then you have to tell me which one it is. Remo.
Is it multiple choice?
No. Remo. Remo.
It is internal.
All these are internal. Remo. What is Remo? Hakuna kitu. Blood. Sawa.
Remo. Blood.
Chogo.
Chogo. Liver.
Chogo.
Chogo.
The many is choke.
Choke. The kidney.
Kidney is nyarogno.
Huh.
Chogo.
Chogo. Checo. Right?
Choke.
Choke. Choke. Teeth.
Bones.
Oh.
So you learned nothing. The heart.
The heart. Nyadundo.
Adundo, yes. Adundo.
Yes.
The heart. That one you got 1. 1 over 10. Number
Yeah.
2. Lungs. That's where we started from.
Oh gosh.
It starts with an O. Lungs.
Oh.
And
Ocho.
it starts with an O and it ends with an O.
Oh.
And it only has 1 letter after the inside between.
Oko. Oh. Olo. Ocho.
Obo.
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 Those are lungs, okay? Aya. Let me start again. Remo.
Remo.
What was Remo?
That is the thing. Remo. The thing. Yeah.
Blood.
Blood.
Hey, our names. Aya. Rectum.
Rectum.
Starts with an A, ends with an O. There's only 1 word, 1 letter in between.
Alo.
Amo.
Amo.
Amo is a
Amo.
rectum, okay?
How am I always 1 letter from
Then,
getting the correct answer?
The skin starts with a P, ends with an N. And you don't even need all these other things in between. But it already gives you the answer. I just said it. I just said it. Starts with a P, ends with an N.
Pian.
Yes. PN. PN. PN.
Pien.
PN.
Pien.
PN. So
PN.
that's the skin, okay?
Yes, that one was easy.
That's easy. Chuny. What is chuny?
Chuny.
What part of the body is chuny?
Chuny. I think it's the brain.
Yeah.
No, it's not the brain.
No.
Is it the gallbladder?
No. Gallbladder
Liver?
is kedno.
Is it?
Liver. Yes. Chuny is a liver. Yeah. The last one is lep. What is lep?
I want to say this is gallbladder. I want
You
to
just
say.
said gallbladder is kedno.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Lep.
What is the plural? Plural.
It is only one in the body.
Your tongue.
Yes, tongue. Lep. Lep is tongue. Good. I hope you enjoyed this video. We now have a members only section where we give out free ebooks. If you want to be a member, please click on the join button. I will link it somewhere up here and we shall see you on the other side. Members also get to meet us online every weekend where we discuss the Luo language.
You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Patreon, YouTube, and other social media platforms as Luo English Dictionary.
And for now,
Oriti, goodbye.
goodbye. Boom. In today's edition, we shall talk about internal parts of the Luo. Tosha. Tony, I don't want laughing. Aya, stop it. Stop running around, yeah. Hey.
Okay.
So we start the large incision again.
Chino.
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 Tony, surely. Then the stomach. The stomach is called chino.
For now, Oriti, goodbye.
You can follow us at Barbara.
Oh. Wow, I need to start studying for these quizzes if you're just going to be like, pop quiz. What is this?
Must be attentive. This thing of just boom, 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 video.
Yeah. Bye.